Nicki Minaj has been sued for using a paparazzi's photos illegally, but in an attempt to serve her legal documents, she's allegedly making it impossible to track down any trace of her whereabouts. What's up guys, it's Susan Morad here with Clever News, and you know, it's hard enough to track down celebrities on a regular day, but these quarantine times are taking things to a whole new level, and that's been the case for Nicki Minaj. That's right, apparently Nicki Minaj is taking quarantine to all new levels because she's in such deep hiding that according to those trying to track her down, it's pretty much impossible to serve her legal documents from an ongoing court case that began last year. We're going to get into all the details of Nicki's case, but before we do, I just wanted to remind you guys to be sure to subscribe to Clever News and ring that bell so you never miss any breaking news updates. Alright, so the case in question went down last year in July when Splash News and Picture Agency sued Nicki, accusing her of using their photos without permission on her social media. In documents obtained by a number of news outlets, the company claimed that she was making money off of their copyrighted work, saying, quote, Nicki Minaj or someone acting on her behalf copied 7 different photos, including ones depicting Minaj in a multicolored Oscar de la Renta gown outside of the Harper's Bazaar party, in a plaid Burberry outfit in New York City at New York Fashion Week party in New York, and in a cheetah print outfit, and distributed them for display to her 91 million Instagram followers. Splash News also made the claim that Nicki's entire timeline is designed to make money as she uses many professional photos throughout her page. The documents also stated that, quote, Minaj uses her Instagram feed for the purpose of promotion. More than that, she uses it to maintain and increase her visibility and desirability as an endorser, actress, model, and entertainment personality, and to promote her persona and celebrity status. In short, every one of Minaj's Instagram posts is fundamentally promoting something to her 91 million Instagram followers. Splash News is seeking damages of up to $150,000 per infringement, but there's one minor problem. The paparazzi suing Nicki for using their photos claim that it's been impossible to try and serve her the legal documents. Court documents also reveal that Splash News has been pleading with the court for help moving the case along, so much so that they asked the court to allow them to serve Nicki the papers via her Instagram after struggling to reach her for nearly a year. However, the agency revealed that they have been able to track down one of her lawyers and is hoping to serve her through the lawyer. Although Nicki has yet to address the allegations, I'm curious to hear what you guys have to say about all of this. We've reported on similar cases before. Do you guys think it's fair for a company to sue celebrities over photos of themselves? Or does a professional agency have the right to charge for their photos and then sue if used without payment? Chime in down here in the comment section below with all of your thoughts. We really want to hear them. As for fans, a number are coming to Nicki's defense and bringing up some pretty valid counter responses. One fan wrote, "It's incredibly ironic to be photographed without your consent and sued when you post the said pictures." Another user tweeted, "This the reason why Beyonce built and hired her own team to film her concerts, etc. She once said in an interview that MTV wouldn't let her use, if I remember it right, a video or something that they filmed, and B was like, why would I pay for a photo of myself?" But according to the Fashion Law, the site that shared the news article of Nicki being sued, this is all just basic copyright 101. They even added a link for reference, writing, "FYI, this is copyright law 101. The law provides protections to the creator of a work, including a photograph, regardless of the subject of that photo, and unauthorized use of that work gives rise to a claim of infringement." Over the past year, Nicki has had her fair share of legal issues, as she was also recently sued last year for allegedly not paying her stylist Christina over $43,000 in work. After hiring Christina to fit her for a month back in 2017, while she toured across the country at a rate of $1,500 per day, she allegedly refused to pay her when it came time to cash in. According to court documents, Christina said that after hunting her down for payments, Nicki eventually sent her back an email that read, quote, "No one is paying you $36,000. Send an email with some sense or don't send any others. This isn't your get-rich-quick scheme," and included a "girl, goodbye" at the end of the email. Nicki was also involved in another copyright lawsuit involving Tracy Chapman over Nicki's unreleased track Sorry, which allegedly samples the 1988 track Baby Can I Hold You without her permission. Being isolated at home may make it a little harder for the feds to track Nicki down, but if there's a will, there's a way, aka text message, DM, Zoom call, or whatever that may be. We're bringing you all the latest breaking news on the daily here at Clever, and for even more news on the Barbs, click right over here to see what Doja Cat had to say about Nicki Minaj. I'm your host Susan Morad. I'll catch you later. Bye guys.